हेलो बच्चों एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल. टुडे वी learn about speech on National Unity Day. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Today we present to celebrate National Unity Day. National Unity Day. Hello everyone, today we present to celebrate National Unity Day. National Unity Day. National Unity Day is observed on 31st October every year in India to regard the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Vallabhbhai Patel, popularly known as the unifier of India. He was contributed to the unification of India's 565 princely states. Thank you.